Alcohol or ethanol is a psychoactive substance that is produced through the fermentation of sugars by yeast. It's found in various beverages like beer, wine, and spirits, and it's consumed by millions of people worldwide. When we drink alcohol, it enters our bloodstream through the stomach and small intestine, and from there, it spreads throughout our entire body. Now let's explore the effects it has on different organs and systems. Alcohol is a central nervous system depressant, which means it slows down brain activity. It affects the neurotransmitters in our brain, causing changes in mood, coordination, and judgment. That's why you may feel more relaxed or less inhibited after a drink or two. Our liver is responsible for metabolizing alcohol, but it can only process a limited amount at a time. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to liver damage, such as fatty liver, hepatitis, or even cirrhosis, which can be life-threatening. Moderate alcohol consumption has been associated with certain cardiovascular benefits. However, excessive drinking can lead to high blood pressure, irregular heart rhythms, and weakened heart muscles. Long-term heavy drinking increases the risk of heart disease and stroke. Alcohol irritates the lining of the stomach and can lead to inflammation or even ulcers. It can also interfere with the absorption of essential nutrients, like vitamins and minerals, causing deficiencies over time. Acting as a diuretic, alcohol increases urine production and puts more strain on our kidneys. This can lead to dehydration and electrolyte imbalances if we don't drink enough water alongside alcoholic beverages. Finally, alcohol weakens the immune system, making us more susceptible to infections and diseases. It impairs the body's ability to fight off pathogens, leaving us vulnerable to illnesses, especially in cases of chronic heavy drinking. We hope you enjoyed this breakdown of how alcohol affects the body. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to drinking. If you choose to consume alcohol, be aware of the potential risks and take care of your body. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all our latest content. I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers!